Hi, second grade. We're going to go over your Unit 6, Week 1 vocabulary words today, and I'm going to introduce them, go over the words in context, give you a definition, and then I'll ask you a question that you can think of the answer in your own homes or you can share it with someone at your house. Okay, our first word this week is appeared. It says, buds appeared on the tree in early spring. Appeared means that it came into sight, that you could see it, that they showed up on the tree in early spring. So it says, what else do you think appeared in spring? What else do you think comes into sight once winter is over and the season of spring begins? Especially think about in northern parts of our country where it's snowed all winter long and things have kind of died, and then in the spring stuff comes to life. What things could appear? Word number 2 is crops. The farmer grows crops of corn and wheat. Crops are large numbers of plants that are grown for food. So what are some other crops that farmers could grow besides corn and wheat? Number 3, develop. The tadpole will develop into a frog. Develop means when things grow or change. So what would be another word for develop? I just gave it to you. Grow or change. Edge, word number 4. The balls rolled off the edge of the table. The word edge means the border or the line where something ends. So the edge of the table would be the very end of the table where it ends and then drops off. The edge of the swimming pool would be the very outside where you could hold on to the outside of the pool if you couldn't touch. The edge of the field would be the outside border. Okay, word number 5, golden. The golden sun shone in the blue sky. The word golden refers to a color that is either bright or gold or yellowish. So name some things that are golden. What do you know that's golden? Word number 6 is rustled. The leaves rustled in the wind. Rustled means a soft crackling noise. So when the leaves on the tree are blowing in the wind, it would make that rustling noise, that crunch, that crackling sound. What else could make a rustling sound? Think about if you're outside in nature, is there anything else you could think of that would make that soft crackling noise? Word number 7 is shining. The shining flashlight made it easier for us to read the book at night. Shining means that it gives out or gives off light. So what else have you seen shining? What else have you seen that gave off light? And last word, number 8, is stages. Egg, caterpillar, and butterfly are stages in a butterfly's life. Stages are steps in a process. So in a butterfly's life cycle, that it goes first from being an egg, then it develops into a caterpillar. The next step of its life is a butterfly. So what are some stages in a cat's life or another animal that you may know more about? Those are our vocabulary words this week. You are going to use those in your page for Tuesday. And these also will show up in the story that you're going to read next, called Why Fir Tree Keeps His Leaves. This story is a myth, and we've talked about myths before, but it's been a little while. A myth is a made-up story, and it tries to explain why things are the way they are. It usually has an important lesson or a message that the author is trying to portray. This is fictional story, but it will be trying to tell you something about nature. All right, that's it for today. Bye.